For our grammar class, let's cross check previous homework. First sentence: if I work hard, I will pass the examination. During the quarantine period, we will keep indoors strictly. Tenzing had been trying to climb Mount Everest for many years before he succeeded. Sentence number 4: they had been solving the sums for 2 hours when I joined them. Sentence number 5: Kavya had already taken her lunch when I reached at her place. The baby was crying when its mother entered the room. Sentence number 7: we saw the aeroplane while it was taking off. Last sentence: a thief broke into our garage last night. Today we are going to start future continuous tense. Where is it used? It is used to describe an action that will be going on during a particular time in the future. Its helping verb is will be, and with this first form of verb plus ing, that means progressive form of verb, is used. Let's see some examples. I will be preparing the lecture tonight. As you can see, will, be and first form of verb plus ing. India will be competing very soon with the superpowers. Harshit will be turning 15 next month. 15 means he will be getting 15 years old. Don't visit the doctor between 1 and 2 p.m. He will be taking lunch. The movie will be releasing next Friday. Now, negative sentences. In order to make negative sentences, we are supposed to add not to the helping verb. So here we will be using not between will and be, and it will make it won't be. And again, first form of verb with ing, or simply we can write will not be. Examples: the farmers will not be plowing the fields at this time. I am sure Tejas will not be revising his lessons tomorrow at this time. We will not be obstructing our syllabus by the end of quarantine period. Now, interrogative sentences. In order to make interrogative sentences, we add helping verb or WH word in the beginning of the sentence before the subject. For example, will you be helping your mother in the kitchen tonight? Will you be abiding by the instructions given by the government? What will you be doing in the evening? So children, today we got 2 initial stanzas of the poem The Road Not Taken explained, and we learned future continuous tense. Thank you.